Eh? So what you gonna do after them? So you come waka, you just leave her like that. You wey I know, you know say if na another person, you go don tear am, you go don drag am, tell am say you go kill am, you go do this. So wetin you come do as you see your husband like that? Wetin you do? Tell me this woman, I no wan hear again. Wetin you do? As you see am, because if na another person tell you this kind thing, say you catch your husband, I know wetin you go tell am say make he show him, make him scatter him, make him kill the man, do this one, do that. So wetin you do as you see your husband? Tell me. My ear just dey wait. Tell me make I hear. Na Mama Nkechi, you leave the girl. Abi you know scatter the girl face. I trust you now. You know say be it. The other lady that day, Papa Chibuzo, Mama Chibuzo dey fight. He say if na you go don do this, you go don do that. I know say don reach your turn now. Which one you do? So tell me now wetin you do. Tell me wetin you do. He kill the man or he scatter am. Wetin you come do? So why can't they give that one advice, bad advice? Say make it scatter, make it do like this for your husband, make it do like this for him. Why they give him that kind of advice? Mama Nkechi, na what for you? You no good though. So way they do no good. They try am. No good at all. All those kind of things no good. But if they give somebody bad advice, if they give them advice, say kill am, scatter am, beat him with the woman, the lady. You see how? But it reach your turn now, you use brain, corner, they do your own. Now what for you? More now they take am easy, na small, everything na small. Take am easy, no dey give person that kind of advice. If you say the woman hear your advice now, the husband go don pursue am. But this your amebo, e too like amebo. E too like talk. The day your house, make it dey stay for your house, no be say every time chon. You dey find where you go talk. They respect yourself, respect your husband too. No dey talk. Stop all those things. E no good. You see as I dey, you see this my face so. As I just paint like this, as I just look, you know, as I look like say tomorrow no day. As I dey sharp so with this my lipstick and my everything where I paint like this. You see me, they make my shakara, they go small. Make I dey manage life. Obele, small. That's how I go dey grab am. Small. You dey hear me? If you like go dey talk. No go find something do. Find something do for yourself. Do find business to do. Now no be say person go just dey the waka. Find something and be doing for yourself. Men no want lazy woman for their side. Make your eye dey there. Be careful. Find something do. Work very hard for yourself. Try and work very hard. Don't be say every time you go say this one do. Respect yourself for small dey gossip. Small, okay? I no mind hear another gossip again. You know say this your gossip. If you enter gossip like this, you know dey gree rest until you finish the gossip. You go talk. Mama Nkechi, you go talk. Me sef, I don tire for hear your gossip. I don tire. Abeg, I don tire. For hear your gossip. Make you take am easy. You go put sugar, put salt, put everything, put honey, and the person go believe you. Make you dey take am easy. You know, so this your gossip wey dey gossip now, so e go make many people comot for their husband house. They go think say they go dey follow you your footstep. They no know say na deceive, you dey deceive them. They no know say na lie. Na you just dey lie. They no know say na deceive, they deceive them. They go think say na person na you dey follow. They no know say na lie, they lie. So na I say make I come tell you now. Some women will come out to tell you say make you leave your husband, make you do this one, make you do that. No, they hear many of them because they will just enter one chance. You said that they enter one chance for Lagos State, and so you go enter. You will just enter one chance for Lagos State. You understand? You know that kind of Lagos State, one chance. You go just enter. You no go know say na one chance you enter. You go drive it for your husband, na him go come enter, or your friend, you go carry your friend give your husband. Make you not just tire. Make your eye open. Open your eye. You see the way I open my eye? Open your eye well. Because all these women, their eye dey for your husband. You don't know. You go to say you and him are the same. My brother, you just dey kill yourself. Make it shine your eye, Mama Nkechi, make una dey shine your eye. All those who talk many places dem go dey talk. Dem go drive you for your husband house. Dem go carry their friend or dem go enter. Una dey shine your eye, dey open your eye. See as I open am, you open am like that. Make dem dey lis ten. The one wey una get more na the manager. Very soon una go become manager. From manager to the boss, una dey manage with una husband. No dey lis ten because many of us wey be women we sabi lis ten. Na dey make us longer throat for another place. Make we dey take am easy. Open your eye. Make you no dey there. Make water no enter your. Shine your eye. Shine am well well. You see as I shine am so. Dey shine your eye like that. Forget all these people wey dey talk. Let them talk. Dey with your husband. Dey manage small. One day God will bless you. Okay? No dey look sin to una take am easy. That person wey dey rush dey go do. You see as I paint so. As I look beautiful like this, you see as I fine. I fine well with this my lipstick. Hey! If my husband catch me with this my lipstick, that today we finish. Today for bed. Oh God. Today for bed. My husband go kiss me today wella because of my face, because he know that I look beautiful. You see me? You see my face? I look beautiful. My husband will love it today. Before my husband come back, me I don't tire for this thing. No. Mama Nkechi, if you like it, make it talk. Say you catch my husband for hotel. Me I don't care. I catch my husband for somewhere. Me I don't care. I will deal with my husband from everlasting to everlasting. You no go fit drive me for my husband house. You no go fit. If you tell me say you go fit, you no go fit. You no go fit, Mama Nkechi. You see the way I look like this. My husband come back. I make food for him. I give him the other one. I give him the other one. If you go outside, any woman give him, he go say, no, I love my wife. So you no think say, no, you go fit scatter me and my husband. You no go fit. He enter one chance. You see that one chance motor for Lagos. You enter am. You no go fit collect my husband for me. I'm telling you. You no fit. You see as I wear big earrings, so look me. See as I look beautiful today. You don't see me. You see somebody look beautiful like me today. You see the way I look fine, fresh. No, not try am. My husband, I don't joke with my husband. Mama Nkechi, you want to use your ploko. Stay for your house. Manage your business. Make I dey manage myself jeje. Some people go dey their house, their mouth go dey scratch them. They don't know what to say. They will just be talking. Mind your business. Stop going. Many women, they are driving you out of your husband because of talk. More take am easy. They hear me, boy. Open your eye. Make you no enter one chance. When you enter one chance, people will laugh at you. Somebody will come and take your husband, and somebody that you're beautiful more than will take your husband. You know good. So shine your eye. You see where I shine my eye? Shine my eye. Shine your eye. Okay? Make somebody not take your husband for you. Shine am well. You see, as I look today, my husband come back today. Hey, this night will be good. This night will be good night. Night be this night. This night will be good and so good. This night, hey, if any get me n'abalị a, you see me, my husband come back tonight. Ife niile ga-eme n'abalị a. Ife niile ga-eme n'abalị a. You get one and go where they buy for my husband now. Mama Nkechi, make I tell you, get one agbo where they buy for my husband. That agbo, when my husband take it, everything will make it get. My husband will stay like 1 hour, be doing it. I'll be enjoying it. 1 hour, that my husband take it like this, everything. I will sleep well. I will enjoy my sleep well. My body will be okay. You see the way I paint today. Today, not today, tonight. Tomorrow, I will tell you what happened for today. So, Mama Nkechi, if you like, make you carry me the waka 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 waka. I don't care. I just tell you what I'm going to do tonight. You see the way I fresh this night. Today na today for me and my husband. If you like it, make you dey talk. No go dey fight for your husband, but no go put your mouth. Don't carry me and go and talk me. I no send you. You see as I dey, I no send you. Today na today to me and my husband. I no look your face. So me and my husband na today, this night. As I don paint like this, look beautiful like this. My husband come back today. Today na today. I already sharp for my husband to see me. So make you no worry. Okay? Make you no worry. Tomorrow I will gist you what happened that night. Okay? You will see it. You will see what happened.